Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to clear cache in Chrome. So for this you can just open the Chrome browser on this Android device. So here you can just click to the top right corner of three dots and a little bit scroll down to find settings. Click to settings and you will scroll down to find privacy and security. You have to click it, and here you can see on the top the delete browsing. So here you can find cache clear and cookies and site data. So you will just delete data from the last 15 minutes, last hour, or 24 hours, 7 days, or 4 weeks. So you can just choice is your, you can select it and you will just clear the data and clear cache. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.